It's Thursday, September 1st. I had kind of half day at work today, and I don't know, found myself sleeping all day, pretty much. I was kind of tired. Um, but I woke up and look what happened. SpaceX rocket explodes at Cape Canaveral ahead of launch. So I'm just waking up here. I'm gonna make a coffee and stuff, but I'm gonna put this out here because I don't think anybody's done a video on this yet. But looks like they fucked up. I mean, they couldn't have wanted this to happen. I don't.
Aaron Napier here with Bank of
Oh my God, how many times have I seen this ad? Hold on, I'm gonna.
America to show you how to create a gallery wall. Start with pieces that follow a theme. Put your showstopper in the center and then work out to fill the space.
Yeah, wow. Oh my gosh. What a bunch of losers. Can't even get the thing off the ground. And these guys, they have this thing in space. Give me a break. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Ha ha ha. This is hilarious. The moment the SpaceX rocket collapsed or blew up. This is fucking hilarious. Yeah. An anomaly. Wow. 200 million. Deeply disappointed. What does he own part of it or something? I don't know. That's fucking hilarious though. I'm gonna have more on this. I'm sure this is gonna be like top news tonight when everybody gets to their YouTubes. This is fucking funny. I'm gonna do more on this in a second. I just wanted to get a quick video out. Holy crap.